How to know if someone is in another call in Messenger. So if you want to know if someone is in another call in Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, you need to open up your Messenger application. After opening your Messenger, you need to go with the person that you would like to know if the person is in another call or not. After opening the chat of that person, now you need to go with the top, which has that either an audio call or a video call. So you need to go with the call, and once you click on the call button, you will be notified that the person is in another call. Your phone won't ring. You'll receive the notification that this person is in another call. So it's that simple to know if someone is in another call. You just need to simply call that person. And if the call rings and if they answers, then they are not in another call. But if it doesn't ring and if it shows you a notification, which is this person is in another call, then yes, they are. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.